Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy conditional formatting in Google Sheet. First, click and drag to select the cell or range of cells that already have conditional formatting rules. Then click Format in the top menu and select Conditional Formatting. You will see the rules appear in the sidebar. In this example, we have a heat map that applies a red to green highlight to scores from low to high values. To copy the conditional formatting, right-click within the selected range and click Copy from the menu that appears. Next, click and drag to select the new range where you want to apply the same formatting. Right-click within the new selection, hover over Paste Special, and then select Conditional Formatting from the drop-down menu. The conditional formatting rules will now be applied to the new cells. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.